John is the best at piano. Lions are the most dangerous animal. We are going to the ball game tonight. So what you see here? You see that I use the in the first sentence, the in the second sentence, the in the third sentence. So today's topic is where to use the. Okay, we already know where to use a and n. Okay, but sometimes we confuse where to use the. So in today's video, we will learn the rules, 8 rules where we use. As I said, John is the best at piano. Means there can only be one who is the best. That's why we use the here. So lions are the most dangerous animal. There can only be one most dangerous. That's why we use the here. We are going to the ball game tonight. So it refers to a specific game. That's why we use the here. Now coming to first rule. Countries and continents. Before countries and continents we use the. But there is a rule. If the country is made up of different parts, then we use article the. Okay. USA having different parts. That's why we use the USA. UK also having different parts, the UK, UAE having different parts, the UAE, then Czech Republic, the Czech Republic having different parts, that's why Netherlands, the Netherlands. Okay, the rule is if that country is made up of different parts, then we use before that country the. Okay, now coming to continents. It is the same when speaking of continents and islands. Okay, like countries. If the name of the continent made up of different parts, then use the. Okay, like Africa is a continent, Europe is a continent, Bermuda is a continent, Tasmania is a continent, but we are not using the. Okay, but for Virgin Islands and Bahamas, we use the Virgin Islands, the Bahamas. Okay, now the second rule. So with the words breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay. When it comes to eating in general, the article is not used. Okay. But if you speaking about a particular breakfast, particular dinner, then use the. Okay. Definite article the. Okay. I don't like the breakfast. Okay. Here we don't eat dinner. सो पर्टिकुलर ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए आई डोंट लाइक द ब्रेकफास्ट. तो ब्रेकफास्ट उस दिन का आपको पसंद नहीं आया, इसलिए आपने बोला आई डोंट लाइक द ब्रेकफास्ट. बट हियर इन जनरल वी डोंट ईट डिनर. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड रूल. विद द नेम्स ऑफ जॉब्स एंड प्रोफेशंस, दैट इज फॉर स्पेसिफिक पर्पज. ओके, लाइक ही वांट्स टू बिकम द प्रोफेसर. ओके, उसको प्रोफेसर ही बनना है. I want to meet the Prime Minister. Okay. Now, if there is like I want to be a politician. Okay. उसको बनना है, ठीक है. लेकिन जब आपने ठान लिया है for specific purpose, he wants to become the professor. I want to meet the Prime Minister. Okay. With compass directions. What is the rule? Compass directions are written with capital letters when they designate definite regions like the north, the south, the east, the west. Okay, but not when they indicate directions or general location. If the compass direction follows a preposition or if it designates a definite region, use the definite article the. If it follows a verb, then no article is used. Okay, like example, they went east. East की तरफ गए. Look to the north and you will see the lake. Okay, so followed by preposition. What? To. Look to the north and you will see the lake. So understood? With names of oceans, seas, rivers and canals. The Amazon, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea. Okay, so you are going to use the. Remember that the definite article the is always used with these bodies of water. I would like to swim in the Red Sea. And you? What about you? The question is like that. The Amazon is the longest river in the world. The, okay? The Amazon is the longest river. Okay? Now coming to sixth one, with the names of unique objects. Like they are the specific one. Okay? This means that only one of the object or thing exists. That only that specific, only one. Like the sun, the moon, the internet, the sky, the earth. Okay? Coming to with the names of uncountable nouns. Okay? Uncountable nouns are that we cannot count. And another rule is that for uncountable noun, in most cases, we are not adding s in plural form. Okay? But remember that every rule, there are some exceptions in English. Okay? If you are speaking about any uncountable noun in general, do not use the article. But when speaking about something specific, then the is used. Like in example, I wrote, I like bread, I like milk, I like honey. But I like the Britannia bread. I like the your milk choice. Okay. I like the brand, which brand honey. So the specific. Okay. Now coming to eighth rule with surnames. Okay. When speaking about members of the family collectively, the article the is used before the surname. Okay. In this way, you designate a group of family, that is a family with one word. The surname must be in plural form, like here in plural form. So the example is the Smiths are coming for dinner today. And the second one, have you seen the Misras recently? So understood what are the 8 common rules where you use the definite article the? I hope you understand. If not, then pause the video, go back and again see the rules. You can easily understood. Okay. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Keep motivating.